Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm back with a vlog today. This is my second vlog, so I'm going to show you what I get up to today. I just did my hair, so I straightened my hair. I used my new GHD Platinum Plus straightener. This is really good. It makes my hair really smooth and shiny. I have naturally really long and curly hair, so I really love the finished result. So I'm just about to do my makeup and I'll probably insert a clip of me doing my makeup and then I'll see you right after. Honey, what have you got? No, honey. So I got a parcel from Boohoo this morning, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm just gonna do like a mini haul. I've already opened everything because I couldn't help myself. I just wanted to have a look. Alright, so I got a package this morning from Boohoo, so I thought I'd do a mini haul. I did already open everything up because I couldn't help myself, but I'm going to show you everything that I got. So first up, I got this matching two-piece set. So it's like this woolen set. It comes with the crop top and skirt. I actually thought I only bought the skirt. Like, I'm pretty sure it said that the top was sold out, but I got the top as well. So I don't know what happened there, but I'm glad that I got the top as well because I can wear it as a little outfit. So it's just like a woolen skirt. It's a really nice soft material. So it's autumn here and it's just perfect for this weather. It's not a mini skirt, so it's a little bit longer, and because I am really tall, it's going to fit me really nicely. It's not going to be too short. The top is just like this, so it's high neck and it's got like short sleeves, which is really nice as well. Really soft material. I just can't wait to wear this. And actually this top that I'm wearing is one of the pieces that I got. I had to wear it today because I don't know, I just felt like wearing it. I love this color, this like tan caramel color. I think it's really nice. So yeah, really comfortable as well. So next up, I got a pair of leggings. They have this detail down the bottom, so it's like a lace up detail. So it's got this like black ribbon that you tie up, and it's just a really nice detail. I thought these were really unique, so I had to get them. They are like a legging type material, so it's not like a really thick like faux leather material. It's more like a legging. I've tried a few different pairs of leggings from different brands and I've never found ones that fit me perfectly, so hopefully these are really nice. Next, I got these pair of like trousers. What are these called? They're called the tie detail satin cargo trousers. I got it in a size 10. So you can see at the top here it has this buckle, which I thought was just a really nice detail. I've never seen anything like this. So yeah, just clips up the top around the waist, and it's like a satin material, which is really nice. It feels like really good quality, and they have these cute little ties around the ankles, so it kind of cinches in at the ankle, which is really unique. Again, I just love these and I can't wait to wear these. Love the color as well. I love anything nude or like this like champagne type color. So last up, I got this mini bag. It's not as small as some of the mini bags that you can get, but it's still mini. It's still a cute little bag, and I think I can actually fit a few decent sized things in here other than my lip gloss. So it's like a faux suede material, which is really nice. So yeah, that's everything that I got. I'm gonna do a try on probably on YouTube, or I might do it on IGTV this time, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll leave it down in the description box so you can follow me. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm just gonna go finish doing a couple things, and then I'm gonna go do some grocery shopping with my mum, and that's probably it for today. Actually, there's a cake in the fridge that I made like 2 days ago and I haven't iced it, so I'm gonna, because I didn't have all the ingredients, so I'm gonna get that today, and I'm gonna make a lamington cake. I just need to make the chocolate icing and then sprinkle it with coconut. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna move this plant. So this is a fiddle leaf fig, so I'm gonna take this down and find a better spot for it because it does need a lot of natural light. A place near the windows is definitely ideal. It really hasn't grown much since I bought it, so I really need to find a better spot for it, but it's still really healthy. It just needs more light, I think. Okay, so I've just put it here in the corner, and I think it's definitely a better spot for it. It's getting a lot of natural daylight, so it should do really well here, but I'll definitely keep you updated. Hello, baby girl. Hello, honey. Hey, Simba. Hey, Simba. So look what she did to this plant. This is our hydrangea, which is, the poor thing was like, no, oh my god, what are you doing? But this is my hydrangea, and Honey has demolished it. Yeah, she's kind of ripped all the leaves off of it. Look at her fur standing up. How cute. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, honey. Okay, I'm gonna go fix my nails because look how bad they look. They're like so chipped. Okay, what color should I do? Nude or nude? I'm gonna do nude. Honey baby, here's Honey. Oh, she's always so sleepy. You're getting big, baby girl. Want to say hello? She is 4 months old now, or just over 4 months. Mm-hmm. What's that? What's that? You little girl, look. Is that you? Look. Look, honey. Look. What's this? What's this?
He's saying to her, yeah, go and scratch it. So they let us in.
So I'm just going to wait until this melts completely and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the icing sugar and just a tiny bit of milk.